I'm Kapil Kumar, and I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulder and elbow surgery at Albyn Hospital here in Aberdeen. Like other joints, arthritis can affect the shoulder, leading to pain and limitation of movements, which can affect day-to-day activities and interfere with sleep. In early stages of shoulder arthritis, painkillers, steroid injections, and physiotherapy can be helpful. However, if these measures fail, a shoulder replacement is a lasting solution to relieve pain and restore movement in the shoulder. The shoulder replacement is performed under a general anesthetic and usually involves just one night stay in the hospital. With appropriate physiotherapy after the operation, most patients are able to get back to normal life within a few months. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation about shoulder arthritis or shoulder replacement, you can book it online or contact Albyn Hospital directly.